Hello, welcome to Secret Life of the American Teenager, Volume 4 DVD Review. This is actually one of my favorite volumes. It has one of my favorite episodes. And yeah. So, suggested retail price is $39.99. And you have a 3-disc set, 12 episodes. And as you can see, it's the traditional packaging with the pictures in the background. And you have a little episode guide there. Has a few bonus features. And yeah. Behind the secret scenes, cast on family. This DVD runs 516 minutes. I'd say that, yeah, as always, it's actually worth it for the episodes that you get. Um, yeah. So I'd say go get it. Go buy it. So yeah, I'll see you, Volume 5 review. So, okay, later.